Speaking naturally and confidently comes with practice. Just believe in yourself and let your voice be heard.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
What time do you start work?
At 9 a.m.
What time do you start work?
At 9 a.m.
What time do you finish?
At 5 p.m.
What time do you finish?
At 5 p.m.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
Is your job difficult?
Sometimes.
Is your job difficult?
Sometimes.
What are you studying?
I'm studying English.
What are you studying?
I'm studying English.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
Which class are you in?
I'm in class 10.
Which class are you in?
I'm in class 10.
Do you do homework?
Yes, every day.
Do you do homework?
Yes, every day.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, I do.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, I do.
Can you type fast?
Yes, I can.
Can you type fast?
Yes, I can.
Do you read books?
Yes, I do.
Do you read books?
Yes, I do.
What book are you reading?
An English book.
What book are you reading?
An English book.
Do you write in English?
Yes, a little.
Do you write in English?
Yes, a little.
Can you speak fluently?
Not yet.
Can you speak fluently?
Not yet.
Are you improving?
Yes, slowly.
Are you improving?
Yes, slowly.
Do you take notes?
Yes, I do.
Do you take notes?
Yes, I do.
Do you ask questions?
Yes, often.
Do you ask questions?
Yes, often.
Do you learn online?
Yes, I do.
Do you learn online?
Yes, I do.
Is English important?
Yes, very important.
Is English important?
Yes, very important.
Do you travel by bus?
Yes, every day.
Do you travel by bus?
Yes, every day.
Do you drive?
No, I don't.
Do you drive?
No, I don't.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
How do you go to work?
By bus.
How do you go to work?
By bus.
Is it far?
Yes, a little.
Is it far?
Yes, a little.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go abroad.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go abroad.
Have you been there before?
No, never.
Have you been there before?
No, never.
Do you carry a bag?
Yes, always.
Do you carry a bag?
Yes, always.
What's in your bag?
Books and a phone.
What's in your bag?
Books and a phone.
Do you use a mobile phone?
Yes, all the time.
Do you use a mobile phone?
Yes, all the time.
Do you use the internet?
Yes, every day.
Do you use the internet?
Yes, every day.
What do you search online?
English lessons.
What do you search online?
English lessons.
Do you watch videos?
Yes, a lot.
Do you watch videos?
Yes, a lot.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do.
What time do you wake up?
At 6 a.m.
What time do you wake up?
At 6 a.m.
Do you exercise?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you exercise?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every day.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every day.
What do you eat?
Bread and eggs.
What do you eat?
Bread and eggs.
Are you confident?
A little.
Are you confident?
A little.
Do you feel nervous?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you feel nervous?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, daily.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, daily.
Who do you practice with?
My friends.
Who do you practice with?
My friends.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, often.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, often.
Is it okay to make mistakes?
Yes, it's okay.
Is it okay to make mistakes?
Yes, it's okay.
Do you learn from mistakes?
Yes, I do.
Do you learn from mistakes?
Yes, I do.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, very much.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, very much.
Will you speak fluently soon?
Yes, I will.
Will you speak fluently soon?
Yes, I will.
Are you confident now?
Yes, more than before.
Are you confident now?
Yes, more than before.